I'll be talking about VO2 because I just think it's really cool. And we can clearly see that it is very important for our endurance type athletes. Again, VO2 max is genetic, and not everyone's going to have a super high VO2 max. It just depends on the person. But those people who are blessed and gifted with a high VO2 max typically do perform better. So, in order to potentially increase your VO2 max, you have to compete over time and challenge yourself over time. So, thinking at least 20 minutes of exercise 3 days a week. And we want to do high intensity, so heavy endurance training. And you can adjust it 3 to 20% of the time, but the rest, again, is genetic. So when we think of fixed equation, the Q equals A minus VO2 difference. So the Q is the cardiac output, so the delivery to the tissues and the delivery to the body. And then we have the A minus VO2, which is the arterial venous oxygen difference. So that's our utilization. So that happens in the capillaries. But whenever you do have an increased VO2, you have an increase in cardiac output, and that affects and shifts the A VO2 difference. Ultimately, when you're needing more oxygen, when you're experiencing greater fatigue and your body and muscles are working harder, your cardiac output goes up, and that means you're going to need more or less blood depending on the state you're in.